So we've got Steve here. He is working on editing the kit for the front bumper of the GT4RS. Show us what you're doing, Steve.
Well, I just extended a little bit down here just in case it doesn't wrap all the way. Same with this front edge here. After examining the bumper, I also extended all the top edge here as well.
That's going to allow for a little bit of a custom install. It's kind of like a hybrid kit where we've adjusted it based on the past in areas that we've noticed needed more film. So we'll start cutting out film soon. The guys are polishing the car. We will bring the vehicle over to this side, which is our film side. After it's done in the prep area, we'll start doing the full vehicle PPF on the GT4RS. So we've got the Porsche all washed and polished up. We gave it a clay bar as well. The next step that we do before film installation is what we call a W5 wash. This is a product from Gtechniq. It's a citrus cleaner, so we'll take this and rub this on every edge. Give the car one more rinse. It's kind of a general edge prep, very light edge prep. And then the film will be ready to put on. So these guys are going to start washing and rubbing every edge with W5. So we've got 2.5 gallons of water in this 3-gallon tank. We're using this optical film solution. Gonna try this stuff out, see how we like it compared to baby shampoo. Get this mixed up and we'll be ready to put some film on. So if you saw our last YouTube video, we used acid as one of the edge preps rather than an adhesive promoter. This time we are using Rupes Reveal. It's not quite as strong as the acid. Cleans up all the oils off of the edge really nice, so it's pretty much just clear coat. The film tends to stick pretty well with only Reveal. So we're going to be using mostly that on this vehicle as edge prep. Once we get it all wiped down, we will start to put the film on. What is up, you guys? It's Tuesday morning. We are back here working on the Porsche. I had some other stuff I had to take care of yesterday afternoon, so I actually just got this fender done, but complicated fender. We got no seam here, so it's nice and tucked, not very noticeable, tucked into the gas cap. All the edges and corners tucked. I've got to go over some areas, trim back this little vent here, and tuck in between the bumper here. I got to go over that. Get started on the other fender after that and keep rocking on the Porsche. Keep you guys updated. Got this second fender installed here. Just need to trim this thing out now. We'll get some more clips as we progress with this car, put in the film on. It's just me over here right now, but once we get someone else over here to film, you can watch us install. But for now, enjoy the clips of me trimming out this fender. So we just got the hood put on. We didn't remove these vents because they're pretty difficult. It's carbon hood, so we left them in there. Steve's trimming them out, tucking them. Get the hood finished up and then onto the bumper. So Steve's cutting out the vent here. He's going to run his blade right next to the plastic so we get a little bit of tuck in there. Get that precision custom fitment. So we're putting the bumper on. Steve did customize this bumper just a little bit to make it fit better in areas we know are kind of lacking or short. Done a couple of the Cayman bumpers, and Steve knows where we need to add film. So we're almost wrapped up with the bumper. And then the front end will be done. Keep knocking out this video for you guys. Enjoy. Bumper is all done. We got both the rockers on, the doors on. It is now Thursday. We're going to get cracking on the quarter panels and the rear bumper. Then get this thing ceramic coated. Car's looking really good.
Alright guys, so we've tinted the window and we've wrapped the door in clear brown. Completely. Door handles and everything like that. So now we're going to put this door back together.
We got Steve working on the back bumper here. Using his special tech to avoid stretch lines. Getting this thing down. After that, we gotta do the quarter panels and hatch and roof. We'll be close to the finish line. Alright, you guys, we got a little bit carried away with the installs. Didn't get to recording every piece, but hopefully you got to see a lot of the install and some of the things we do to make this car look so beautiful. So it's all finished up now, full XPEL on every painted surface. We have the rims ceramic coated. On top of the film is a ceramic coating from Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra. The windows are tinted, the front two windows as well as the windshield with XPEL film. Come check it out. What do you think, Henry?